Hey, my name is DJ. Welcome to the Grand Channel. If you've been rocking with me a while, welcome back. Thank you so much. If it's your first time, please subscribe, like or dislike, comment. I got you. But today, we basically just got done with the gas shootout, the gas challenge of the LS430, which gas stations give you the best gas mileage, basically, at the best price and so forth and so on. So if you checked out my previous video, you'll see who the winner is and stuff like that. And today we're going to be using the Seafoam high mileage, and then we're also going to be using the 20-ounce pro size. So all my gas, I put 93 in there. So now I'm just basically trying to make sure I clean the fuel, because I went to multiple different gas stations and stuff like that, even though 93 technically still does it. But I also wanted to just do some fuel additives just to make sure the engine is clean and stuff like that. All right, so the tank is empty, basically, like real empty. It's below the empty line. So I'm about to fill this up, fill it up with this first, and then let that get to the bottom of the tank and let it coat it and clean up whatever is the junk that's down there, all the settlement and stuff. And then I'm gonna put the gas in there, and then once I put the gas in there, I'm gonna do it until it clicks, wait, then I'm gonna add this in there to top it off, and I'm gonna wait 30 seconds and add more fuel to it if possible, if the car lets me. All right, hang on. So I know you probably checked Seafoam, so there's been bad reviews on the internet and YouTube about it, so I wanted to give it a try for this car. And it's real easy to do. You just pull this tab and you pour it down the tank. I'm about to show you that in a second. All right, so once again, you just pull the tab, right? And you're just gonna peel it off. All right, I'm gonna open it just like that. Take this, put it right in there. You want to shake it just a little bit, just make sure you get all the excess out. And then we're about to go ahead and fill it up. All right, it's filling up now. So you're gonna wait until it clicks. So while that's filling up, we're going to go ahead and get this ready for when it's time to pour it. So we're gonna do the same thing by taking the, you want to take that plastic piece up out of there, and then just close this back up so no air, no contaminants get into it, and continue waiting until this gets done filling. All right, so it clicked off at $66.48 at 20 gallons. So I'm gonna go ahead and now fill this up with this and wait 30 seconds, and then presume to pump again to an even amount. Now we're turning this back on and refilling this back up. I'm gonna do this till 68. And voila, I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. You don't want air in the tank, so you're just letting it just chill out for just a couple more seconds. And that should do it. All right. Actually, I'm gonna do it to 69 now that I waited for 30 seconds. And you wait in the 30 seconds so you can let the gas settle. All right, there we go. All right, guys. All right, we in the car. Now I'm about to go ahead and put some hand sanitizer on. Gotta be COVID friendly out here, COVID ready. Yeah, boy. All right, hang on. All right, guys, so it's saying the range is gonna be over 353. So let's go ahead and see if that's what it's gonna be like. We're gonna check in whenever this gas run out to see how much actual mileage we got. All right, guys, peace. So this is the the mileage. 396 is actually better than what I expected, which is wild. It beats the range of what the computer said. So this is really good. I did like a lot of highways, but I did a lot of pulls. When I said I did like a lot of pulls, man, I was going crazy for a second, right? Going around curves and everything. It was wild. So for it to give me 396 with how hard I was pushing it, it's crazy. So yeah, that's with the Seafoam and everything. So this is the final result of everything. And so yeah, Shell is where it's at. I mean, not Shell. Well, Shell is good, but Safeway is where it's at, man. I was pushing it hard. When I say, guys, when I was saying hard, when I was saying I was giving her basic everything that she got, I'm telling you that's what I was doing, all right? All types of fun stuff. She did a very, very, very good job. So yeah, I guarantee if I didn't push it as hard as I did, I would be getting way more than this, like at least by 20 to 30, maybe even 40 miles more than what you see right here. But I was pushing her that hard, right? So for a V8, this ain't bad. Thank you again, appreciate y'all watching. But yeah, this finalizes with the Seafoam, with the high mileage Seafoam mixed with the winner, which is the Safeway gas, and then also the 20 ounce of the Seafoam. All of that combined did very good. So it did its job. Thank you. Peace. I'll holler at y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.